Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Tikshana Sipana. Welcome to Usha Sunshine. Today I'm just going to say you one of the important and it's going to be some fascinating topic. So let's even go and explore it, okay? So today our topic is dangerous animals. Actually, this topic is going to be somewhat interesting. So if you have some patience, then we can be going so forward that you will be also getting some new things in your mind. Right? So let's enter into our topic and let's even explore it. Right. So the first one is types of snakes. If you observe it carefully, the first one is common cried snake. Then the second is Indian cobra. Yeah. And the third is great cobra. Looks interesting? So let's even go up with some other types of dangerous and hazardous animals. Oh, these are types of tigers. Generally, we have three main types of tigers: white tiger, American tiger, and South China tiger. Then the next is types of bulls. First one, it is Angus bull. Second, Hereford bull. And the third, Chania bull. Yes, friends, here this Angus bull is the biggest bull in the world. Right. Then the next is oh, it is types of eagles. Let's even see these types of eagles. First one is white-tailed eagle. Second one, booted eagle. And the third is golden eagle. Looks fascinating, right? Yeah, this is types of crocodiles. See, these types of crocodiles includes Indian crocodile, Nile crocodile, and American crocodile. These three crocodiles are the hazardous species of all the total crocodiles. See friends, actually this is going to be the last slide of my presentation, that is hazardous and dangerous animals. But if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Usha Sunshine. Thank you.